everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Mahira. So I create makeup, fashion and lifestyle videos. So I'm going for a party and today I'll do a full glam makeup look but with subtle eyes, nude lip. I'll be wearing this saree and this is a ready to wear saree. I have already worn my blouse. So let's start. First I'll apply a toner. This toner is from Plum and it's a very refreshing toner. I let it dry for a while as I have got sensitive skin. So मैं either serum लगाती हूँ या ये Cetaphil moisturizer. For primer, I will be using the Inside Cosmetics primer. It's a prime and perfect hydrating primer. Now it's time for the foundation, and for foundation I will be using this two foundation because this is lighter in shade and this is darker. Okay, I will be mixing these two foundations. Also controlling today, just I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, the points which I want to highlight. I think blending it in the same way. For a blush, I'll use this Mars Velvet Lip Tint. So I'll be using this as blush because the shade is mix of brown and also maroon. Blending it with a brush. I think I need some more blush because I love to apply blush, and remember, blend it immediately, otherwise it will leave the stain in your cheek and it will be very difficult to blend it later on. Now it's time for the eyebrows. I think so I will skip the highlighter. For brows, I'm taking a brown eyeshadow. I'm cleaning the edge with a concealer. Very important, I forgot to set the base and my makeup is melting. So
taking a compact powder and again blending it once more to avoid any creases. Okay.
Now it's time for the eyes. For the eyes, take this transition color and blend it on my whole eyelid. Again taking this brown, dark brown shadow and placing it directly on the crease line and then blending. Taking this nude color and then placing it on the inner corners and creating a cut crease. Now I am taking a black eyeshadow and applying it as a eyeliner and then smudging it. Now it's time for the mascara. Now taking a brown eyeshadow, again placing it on the lower eyelid and then smudging it. Taking some glitter and then placing it on the inner corners. I have applied the falsies off camera. Now it's time for some white liner. This white liner is from Makeup Revolution. Now for the lips, I'll be mixing two nude lipsticks. This first one is from Swiss Beauty. The shade is Hazelnut, and the next is a liquid lipstick. This lipstick is from the brand T&W and the shade is Plum Berry. For hairs, I will do a simple bun because it's very hot and a bun will be perfect for this look.